Discover the OVICX Q2S electric folding treadmill, a sleek and versatile addition to your home gym. Designed for the modern fitness enthusiast, this treadmill combines convenience with performance, making it an ideal choice for those looking to enhance their workout experience. The OVICX Q2S stands out with its fold-flat design, allowing for easy storage under beds or in tight spaces. Its foldable upright bars and side arm grips make it incredibly compact, while the front section's folding stabilizers enable vertical storage. Despite its sturdy frame, the treadmill is surprisingly portable, thanks to its built-in wheels. This treadmill is not just about saving space, it's also about providing a robust workout. With dimensions of 64.96x 25.5x 44 inches and a tread belt of 49.2x 16.9 inches, it supports up to 264 pounds. The 3.0 HP motor delivers speeds from 0.6 to 8.7 mph, and the console tracks your time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. Plus, it comes with a device holder for your convenience. The OVICX Q2S's motor ensures a smooth and consistent belt movement, even during extended workouts. The speed adjustment is gradual, allowing you to find your perfect pace without abrupt changes, ideal for interval training. Though simple, the LED console is efficient, displaying key workout metrics. The treadmill's Bluetooth connectivity syncs with the FitShow app, offering online workout tracking and additional features. However, it lacks quick speed selection buttons and onboard programs. Ease of use is a hallmark of the OVICX Q2S, arriving fully assembled and ready to go in minutes. Maintenance is minimal, with periodic lubrication being the primary requirement. The OVICX Q2S shines with its slim design, shock absorption technology, and app compatibility. However, the absence of quick speed buttons and the display of speed and kph may be seen as drawbacks by some users. When selecting a folding treadmill, consider your fitness goals, the potential users, and the size and power of the machine. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, the OVICX Q2S is a solid choice for a home workout, offering the